people, I'm back. This is another one, another hitter for y'all. Well, I almost just fell. Y'all probably didn't see it, but I almost just fell. But look, I'm in Texas, as usual. Well, Texas is my place, you know where you can go. In Texas. I don't have no load, man. I had a load that was booked from last night because I dropped my other load this morning. But the broker never sent me the rate card. And now, I can't hear from the broker. I don't get an email, nothing. The brokers do that. You see why I say I'm beefing with the brokers? They do stuff like that. So you got, hey, fire with fire right now in this game. Stink over here. But yeah, I'm at a truck stop, chilling. I'm sure I'm gonna find a load because Dallas is a pretty good area. I'm just saying, that's just an example of how those brokers they'll play. But we looking for a load right now. You know? Looking for a load right now. But we're gonna flag. We're gonna vlog this one too. We're gonna vlog this load. I'm gonna get a load. I'm blessed. I have favor. You overstand. Don't understand. Overstand. I have favor. So it's not a surprise I'm gonna get a load. You know what I mean? Hallelujah. Most high is praise. But yeah. I'll go in here and buy me some ice real quick. I chill till that load comes. I don't get a load. It's gonna be a great meeting. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Found a load, y'all. Found a load, partial at that. We're going to South. We're going to Indiana, South Bend. I always tell y'all, Texas is my spot. Indiana, Midwest. You see my route? That's my route. Good timing right here. It's a partial, but it pays like a full load. Pays like a full load. I think it's like 14 feet. I think it's like one pallet, really. But I'm back on in. Yeah. Hey guys, this is a partial right here. This is just one. I'm sure I'm gonna pick up a few more. This actually pays like a full load. But just look at all this. We have a lot of space. You see the green rags. I could fit 3 more of these in here. Easy. Right? I could really fit 4 more of these in here. Because it's 3 pallets. 12 can fit on here. Imagine me fit 4 of these. Let's just say this paid $2 grand. Right? 4 times 2 is what? Come on, you got it. Come on, guys, you got it. I'm waiting. It's 8 grand, right? It's 8 grand. This is why partial works better. But most partials not gonna pay a full load price. So this might be $1,700, $1,500, depends how far you're going. But partials gonna make more money regardless. But sometimes you can't find partials. You gotta take what you can get. But this is a partial right here going to the Midwest. Pays like a full load. Even if I don't get another load, I'm good. But nah, how could I waste all of this? You see my dip machine? Oh yeah, I get it in back here. How could I waste all this? I'm gonna at least add 1 more load to this. Okay? Yep. This is going from Dallas to South Bend. Do the math. All right, that's it, y'all. I gotta get my pen. But that's it, man. Picked up load. How long, y'all? Ooh. Oh yeah, we got up under the truck. My knees still good. Yeah, but that's it. I don't know if I'm gonna stay in this area. I'm gonna look for another load. Before the camera just rudely cut off on me. I don't know if I'm gonna stay in this area. I'm gonna look on the load board right now and see what it's looking like. But more than likely, I'm gonna keep it moving. Look on the load board. You know you gotta put that flip flops on. Yeah. I don't know if you can ride in your flip flops legally. Actually, It's not legal, guys. So I've heard. I have no proof. Right now I'm driving my flip-flops. But yeah, talk to y'all in a few though. I had to stop, get me some food. Stopped here before in the past, maybe a couple months ago, fish spot. About to, it's like 8 o'clock. I'm gonna drive to about 11 o'clock tonight. Oh, I gotta walk around. Ooh, I gotta walk around. They close. They better not be close. So this is what we got, y'all. Your guesses, they let me in. I got a grilled red snapper. This is zucchini and a salad. This all came together as one meal. So they let me in. They was closed. It was 8:50. They closed at 9. They had that door locked. I remember back in the days, I used to be mad when I see people walking in. But yeah, this is where we at. I'm gonna eat this up and I'm gonna hit the road. I'm gonna drive at least 3 more hours. You know, hopefully. I might just stop. Depends how I feel. What's up, yo? Ooh, I look rough, boy. What's going on? Just got some breakfast from the Waffle House. About to hit the road, head on up to Indiana. I don't really see nothing on the load board right now, but as I'm going, I have my dispatcher looking. I'm looking. I just stopped. I'm gonna stop. No, stuff from where you driving, guys. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Might eat this Waffle House. Not much in it that I eat anyway. So I just ordered some eggs and eat that protein, you know what I mean? Eggs and cheese is a no-no. I'm really trying to cut eggs and cheese. I really stopped eating eggs, but since I've been on the road, every now and then I'll buy some eggs. Cheese, so hard. But I'm stopping. We got the cotton fields. Oh, no. Yeah, we out here in the country for real. I don't know who picking them cottons though. No, it ain't black folks. Look at some more cotton field over here. That's something right over here. It's dried up over here, but look at cotton. It's a lot of cotton. All that white stuff. It's cotton. This type of stuff I don't like right here. What in the world is going on, boy? Look at this street. Oh, no. Oh, man. I started turning around. GPS told me to turn right here, man. Oh, shoot. Is that like sugar canes or corn over there? No light. Yeah. There's some of the stuff you see, too. We in traffic, but we here. Welcome to Indiana. All right, y'all, we here. We here. Funny story. I'll tell y'all when I get once I offload this stuff, but I'm here. Got a load already. We working now. We working. Smoking. That is it, y'all. It's a wrap. This load is done. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like. Oh, let me tell y'all about these people, man. So I'm going through the toll. I have toll. Where's my key? Hold up. I find that key. So I have Easy Pass, the whole 9, all of that, cover it all. So apparently I get there. My Easy Pass not working. It's called SunPass Pro. It covers Easy Pass. So it's not working. I'm like, okay. Still should open up. Just send me the mail. They won't even let me through. They gotta see up here, Illinois, Indiana area. They got a gate there. I'm like, what the heck? Let the gate up. They ain't let the gate up. So I had to literally pay before I go through. I had to swipe my card. I said, dang, man, just send me the mail. I'm on that. But it's all good. I ain't worried about it. I'm gonna holler at y'all though. Thank y'all for watching, subscribe. So yeah, man. That's it, y'all. It's one down. We got another load already. Yo, shout out to my dispatcher, man. If y'all look for dispatchers, man, holla at us, man. We make it happen. Look, I pulled up. I got another load, possibly 2 loads already. It's Friday. You know, Friday's when you get your big money, you get your big bang. Try to go 1,200, but I'm not going 1,200. I'm actually going to Kansas. My little brother played football over there, so which is like 600 miles away. I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna enjoy the weekend. I'm gonna watch his game. So yeah. Once again, man, appreciate y'all for watching. Like, subscribe. What else they saying? YouTube. What's that YouTube stuff they be saying? Yeah, that one. All that YouTube stuff. All of that. Make sure you do all of that, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Holla at us if you're looking for a dispatcher, man. Yeah. Oh yeah. One more thing. You know what? By the time this video drop, I'll probably already found a driver, but I'm looking for a driver. So if you're interested in driving a box truck, holla at me. I'm looking for, if you have experience, preferably, but even if you don't have experience, CDL, whatever, if you're coachable, teachable, we can work with you. So hit me up in the DM, send me an email, Instagram, somewhere. Just hit me up. Send your resume and phone number. Well, I guess your phone number gonna get your resume. All of that. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. It's your boy Legend. I am the man.